do you get paid for your 9-to-5 job? I'm guessing they either pay you a set rate per hour, maybe even a set rate per day, right? Well, what if I told you that you could get paid for every single minute? The coolest part about this is that you can get paid out really fast and the money can go straight into your bank account. You don't need to do any selling, you don't need a ton of followers on your social media, you don't need to do surveys, and you don't need to have any work experience at all. This method is great for beginners and it can help you earn hundreds of dollars in no time. Want to know something cool? You can do this from pretty much any nook or cranny of the globe. As long as you can connect to the internet, you can take advantage of this money-making method. You don't need to spend any money to be able to get started, and they don't need any credit card information at all. Earning cash is as quick as copy and paste. Keep listening and don't miss out on making big bucks. Before we get into the video, hi, welcome to Money Express, a channel where I share tips and tricks on how you can make money. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Smash the like button down below if you want to see more videos like this one. Rightio, so the very first thing that you're going to do is open up a browser and scooch your booch over to Skillshare.com. Now, if you've never heard of Skillshare, then it's pretty much a place that people come to look for different online workshops, video trainings, and courses to be able to learn certain skills or something new. Now, if you take a look over here where it says browse, you'll see that there are a lot of different categories of things that you can learn about, like you can learn about animation or graphic design. There's stuff about photography, music, you name it. You'll probably find a course or some sort of video lesson on here. There are tons of different courses that people can choose from. So if you want to take a look and go through the site, you'll see that the list goes on and on. Now, at this point, you're probably wondering, how are you going to make money off of this website? And you might be thinking, how am I going to do it if I don't have any special skills or anything to be able to share on this site? And as I said earlier, this is a beginner-friendly method, so do not fret. Alright, so you are going to go ahead and scroll to the very bottom of the page, and then you're going to see a teaching section down at the very bottom, and then you're going to go ahead and click on the part that says Become a Teacher. Do you see it? Great. So once you've clicked on that, it should bring you to a page that looks like this, and you're going to be able to sign up to become a teacher. Now, signing up for an account as a teacher is completely free, so no worries about needing to spend any cash to be able to do this. And obviously, you're going to fill in all of the personal information that they ask for. And then once you submit your form, you are ready to go. So to be able to make money, you're going to be uploading videos to this site as a teacher, and then you're going to get paid. Now, you might be worried that you need to make videos, film them, edit them, and you might be a bit concerned because you don't have any skills in that field. So do not fret, because I actually have a way for you to be able to find videos for you to be able to upload and still make money without having to do anything. All you have to do is download the videos and re-upload them, and you can start earning money. Doing this is going to help speed up the process and make this a lot easier on your end, so you're going to want to keep listening so you can find out exactly how to do this.
But before I do that, don't forget to hit the like button down below, share this video, and turn on notifications for more videos on how you can earn extra cash.
Alright, so pretty much how this works is when you go to Skillshare.com and you're already signed up for an account as a teacher, you're pretty much going to upload videos by clicking on this thing right here, and that pretty much helps you start uploading video lessons. And when people click on these lessons and they watch them and they learn from you, then you start earning money. So they actually pay you for every single minute that people are watching your videos or learning from your courses. So it's a really great tool to use. There are actually a lot of people making a lot of money off of this website through different avenues, like uploading video lessons and getting paid for every single minute that people watch their videos. There are also people getting paid for referrals and all sorts of things. So you're going to want to watch so that you can find out how all of this works. Anywho, this is a somewhat passive source of income, because once you upload your videos, they're up there and you can start earning for every single minute of your videos that people watch. And as I said, you're not going to be producing any of these videos at all. You're not going to be doing any video editing. or filming. You don't need any special equipment. So this is a really, really great money making method. Now, if you want to get an idea of what this kind of looks like, you can go through and choose any category that you're kind of interested in. Go ahead and click on one of the courses or one of the videos that you see, and then you can scroll through and see that there are actually things like playlists that play 1-minute videos, and then people get paid for every single minute that people watch these videos. And there are courses that you can do. There's all sorts of stuff, so it's a really great platform. And one of the amazing things about Skillshare is that they actually do all of the work for you. So you don't have to do any promotion. You don't need to share your course anywhere. You don't have to keep sharing it to people on Quora or on Facebook, social media. Pretty much Skillshare does all of the marketing and promotion work for you, so you don't have to do it yourself. As I said, it's passive income. You upload the video, you can do anything you want any time of the day, and you can be making money without having to actually put work into it. Now, if you've made it this far, then you're probably interested in the website that I told you about, where you're going to be able to find videos to upload to Skillshare, because obviously you want to start making money this minute, right? So to do that, you're going to open up another browser window or a tab, and you're just going to go to this website right here. And this is an amazing website to use because downloading the videos from here is free, and then you can re-upload them to Skillshare and actually make money off of something that you didn't even have to pay for. Now, this website is a really great one because obviously, as I said, you can download videos for free and then re-upload them. But this is actually a great tool for a lot of different things, like you can create logos and mock-up websites and obviously videos. And that's what we're going to be focusing on today. So one of the great things about this site is that it has so many different video template options that you can choose from, and it makes creating videos so easy. And it only takes a matter of minutes to be able to come up with content that you can upload to Skillshare. The videos that are also produced on here can come out looking really professional, so it's great because you didn't have to spend anything, and at the same time you're producing quality content. Anywho, so this is basically a website where you can create whiteboard animation stuff, and it's really, really great because it has high reviews. As you can see, this has over 4 stars out of 5 stars, so a lot of people really love this, and they have left really great remarks. All you have to do is click this create button right here, and it's going to bring you to a page that's going to help you create content that you can upload to Skillshare. And as I said, like with the other website, this content is very professional looking, and it's something that's really trendy right now that a lot of people really love. So I recommend that you go ahead and try this website out. There are tons of graphics and animation that you can choose from. There's even background music, so it can help make the video a lot better and enhance it. And you pretty much didn't have to really do anything, just a few clicks, and you have a video ready to upload to Skillshare so that you can start earning some passive income. These are all really helpful tools, so I suggest trying out both of these websites because they can help you earn hundreds of dollars quickly. Plus, Skillshare is great because, as I said, you don't need to do any of the promotion. They do all of the marketing and promotion for you, so you can just leave it up and have it all ready to go. That's all I've got for you today, and I hope you learned something new.
Now, before I go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more simple ways to earn extra income. That's all for today. See you in my next video.